Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making roast chicken, which is good for Christmas. If you want to see how I get this, keep on watching.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner.
Okay guys, so your main ingredient is a whole chicken. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the backbone of the chicken. That way when I flip it over, it can lay extremely flat, just the way I want it. And of course you can, if you have a pair of kitchen scissors, you can use it. But I'm going to go ahead and use a knife. I'm going to start by piercing it. And then I'm just going to cut it all the way down. Okay, so now that I've done that, as you can see, the chicken looks like a butterfly. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean out all of these from the chicken. I'm going to remove everything so that our chicken can be nice and clean. Okay, so look at our chicken. She is clean and ready to be seasoned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip her over, as you can see, and for the seasoning I'm going to use some lemon juice, and this is a mixture of seasoning, so it's all-purpose garlic seasoning. I added some meat seasoning, chicken seasoning, and whatever else I'm missing, I will just list it in the description box below. So we're just going to go ahead now and season our chicken. And remember guys, that this is just a guide. You can use whatever seasoning you want to use. If you have herbs, you can use herbs. Just use what works for you, but this is what I'm using. This is my chicken. So I'm just going to rub that in, and it's easier when you put the seasoning in a container so that you don't keep touching everything, all the different seasoning container, and then you're gonna have to wash those afterwards. I'm going to add a little lime juice. I should have added the lime juice first. I was a bit distracted. I'm now going to just pour some oil over the chicken. And I'm going to pour some on the inside as well. And then we are going to place her in the oven. This is what the chicken is looking like on the inside, and I'm just going to flip it over. And this is what the outside is looking like, and I'm going to tuck the wings under, that way the tips don't burn. I'm going to place it in the container now so that you can see. So guys, this is the container that I am working with. So I'm just going to transfer the chicken just like that. And you know what I like to do? Whatever is left on the board, I usually just brush it off on the chicken. Nothing goes this is what the chicken is looking like in the pan, and I've already preheated the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, so I'm pretty much going to place the chicken in, and I'm going to bake the chicken at 230 degrees Celsius for an hour and 30 minutes, and I'm going to go in and check on it every 30 minutes. Oh, and of course, I'm going to cover the chicken first for the first hour, and then afterwards I'm going to remove it for the final 30 minutes. So the pan comes with a cover, which is so convenient. I don't have to always look for a paper. There we go, and now it's going in the oven. Guys, as you can see, our chicken is done, and oh my god, like it's falling off the bone. It's so juicy and tender, and I really can't wait to dig in. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you guys so much. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will list the ingredients and the directions in the description below so you can try it for your Christmas dinner. Until then, see you next time.